Yay! And we're super excited. Me too. Hey guys, what's up? Today is Anzac Day and we got a holiday today. So we already had our lunch and we're right now going to Maroubra Beach. Yay! And we're super excited. So these are my two buddies. How are you?
Good.
How are you feeling?
Excited.
It's too sunny, right, today?
It's too sunny.
It's a good weather.
Lovely day.
It's a lovely day.
How are you feeling? It's a good day, right?
Yeah, it's so good. It's a nice day. And we're celebrating our holiday. Whoa! Maroubra Beach. Wow, the waves are so beautiful, guys. Small little bird. Wow.
Day, and it's my first day Anzac Day at Australia. I didn't even know what that means.
You know what? It's also my first day in Anzac Day, like traveling around and like celebrating the holiday. Yeah.
What Anzac Day means? I'm very happy that it was holiday because I don't have to go to college today.
Yeah, me too. And it feels like a long holiday because it was Saturday, Sunday, and today is Tuesday. So yeah, it's a long holiday.
We're having fun though.
Yeah. Whoa. Wow guys, it's so nice weather today. So much hiking and greenery. How are you feeling? So our cabin bro is like enjoying a lot. Oh. carving brother is going in that way. He loves hiking and adventurous things. Oh my god, he's so like brave, yo. Wow, yo. What a wonderful way. So, Kavin,
Yes, please.
how was your day today?
It was a wonderful day being in Maroubra beach.
Yeah, Maroubra, yeah.
Very
So nice weather, right?
Orange,
Yeah,
good
having
weather, family.
Yeah.
It's what you need in a holiday, right?
Is it nice to? It's so nice to have the family around, right?
Yeah, it's always like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. All being Australia and
Yeah.
with you guys.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And what about you? How are you feeling?
Nice weather, good place. Refreshing.
Yeah.
What more can you expect, right?
Yeah, right. And the waves is too lovely.
So Ayusha,
Yeah.
how's today? How's your Anzac Day going? And
Yeah. First of all, I'm so lucky that I have a holiday today, and yeah, we are at Maroubra beach right now. And the way the waves are coming, it's so good, and it's so awesome weather, and it is a very awesome day today. Very wonderful.
so what do you like the most about Maroubra?
Maroubra has always been nice. So it is one of the best beaches in Sydney, and it has beautiful waves, and yeah, everything about Maroubra. So it's a very nice beach here in Sydney, and enjoying the fruity. Our cabin brother is enjoying the view. Oh, that's nice way, right?
Yeah. Nice path through the bushes.
Looks like a mini high school. Oh, this is a different kind of rock. So we started from this point, and we did hiking, and now we finally reached the spot, which is called Maroubra Point. Guys, we have just walked like I think 5 or some kilometers, and we ended up reaching another beach. Okay. It was such a fun time. Oh, the wind is blowing a lot. Robin? So how was your hiking? It's a lot of fun, yeah?
That's fun.
It's already little evening and we walked a lot. It feels like a achievement now. So guys, it was amazing trip today and our holiday was awesome, and thank you so much guys for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye bye, take care.